Hello everyone. This is we are back with 3 units. Got a new cannon power shot. Here's a Payne. It's got an Emerson Cup 1 scroll. It's from 2014. And this is the same one. It's the logo. Those are Payne Performance Series. They're not Centuries. Here's this one. They have broader string fan motors. This one's the same, 2014. It's the line sets. They both have flow filter dryers. It's a window unit. 3 up close units, followed by 2 dual zone units. I think the Nordyne's at the house. I think the Nordyne replaced the Payne unit. I don't know. But I think there's gonna be a remaining Payne. We'll go take a look. But there's a Nordyne at this house. They replaced the 2007 Payne. It's right behind the 2 cars. So let me get back here. So it's next to the backyard, so the new Nordyne unit, they replaced the Payne. 13's here. Look at this. 2022. This one's brand new. Replaced an old Payne. Song Shambardson. Emerson Cup 1 scroll. Filmed on the camera on this side. Alright, there's one more unit, the 2008 Care Performance. Nordyne over there replaced the 2007 Payne that died. It was brand new. Can you believe that? Thank you for watching. It's gonna be like a long thing to walk to a carrier, so thank you. Thank y'all.